My son is sleeping now and I am finally savoring my dinner. Hindi sila nagjo-joke when they said one of the most difficult stages ng bata ay ang toddler stage. Because every single day, meron siyang bukol, meron siyang sugat. Kahit gaano kakaingat, talagang hindi mo siya maiiwas. This is buldak noodles. Sarap. The spicier, the better. Hanggang umapoy ang puwet the next day. Sparkling water. Then we have cheese. This one is good. Cheese, egg, kimchi, and noodles. Yung ang sarap i-midnight snack pero bukas ng umaga. It's gonna be so much better kung niluto ko yung cheese dito sa noodles. Best midnight meal. 잘 먹겠습니다. Magana yung labi na pero go pa din yan siya.